Hi, Rana here from Pearl Lemon. Today we will learn how to scrap the URLs from Google SERP using Python without any limitations. So I have some keywords, set of the keywords according to some specific locations. So let's go to the colab.research.google.com. You can run Python here, and I have a Python code. I will share this in the description. So I'm copying this code, paste this here in the Colab. Okay, here I have limited the results 400. So you can change this as per your need. I'm changing this to 20 because I need only 20 results. I mean top 2 pages. So run the command. So now it's asking for the keyword. Type the keyword best SEO agencies UK. I have pasted. Now I have the results. Here I have the 20 results. I will copy this and paste here. Okay, my keyword was best SEO agencies. So here I have the list. So now I will try for another one. I will run the code again. Now it's again asking the keyword. Now my keyword is best SEO agencies London. Look, I have the results. Now again, I will copy only 20 results and paste here. Okay, it's UK. It's for London. So with this process, you can get the results and you can limit the results as per your need. The maximum limit is 400. You can scrap the 400 results from the Google SERP. Also, you can change the URL of Google. For example, if you want to scrap from the UK search engine, then you have to write here .co.uk. That's it. Thank you.